Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about machine learning and deep learning. Come let's dive into the topic. Every day human brain is learning from its experience. Like if we see tasting, smelling, looking, hearing and feeling, these actions will trigger a million of neurons in human brain which will generate some rules according to its senses. Like if we taste a new thing, then according to its taste our brain will generate some rule according to its taste, right? Whether it is sour or whether it is sweet, it will generate some rule, and next time whenever we taste it, our brain recognize it taste. So this is called as machine learning. If we see in our previous video, AI model is not capable of learning from its past experiences, right? So, in order to make a machine to learn from its past experience, we need to go for machine learning, where machine will learn from its past data so that it doesn't perform the same mistake again. If we see any of the machine learning model, first it will have an input which will be a data and answer in the label form, and it will be having a box. Just consider it as a box which is for training the data. From that data it is going to generate some rules, and from there it will go to the current running AI model. For example, we are training a AI model which need to identify whether the given image is a dog or a cat. So, first we will feed for this model as an input a image of dog with the label image of dog with a label dog. We need to give answer as well as data. In the same way, we will feed a image of cat. Along with it, we give the label as cat so that the mission can understand the given image is of dog, the given image is of cat. From this data, it will generate a set of rules. It will generate a rule which is of a mathematical expression, which is of mathematical expression. These rules are attached with the running model. Whenever a user feeds a image of dog, this image of dog will be having will be converted to some mathematical form, and here we have already trained our model for the particular uh, dog image which is having some mathematical expression. So whenever these two get matched, it will confirm that the given image is of dog. So how it will identify, for example, if human need to identify whether the image is of dog or not, we take the data as cat will be having smaller than the dog one. So we will see that a dog will have more height comparing to cat, and based upon these rules it will classify it whether it is a dog or cat, but it will be in form of mathematical expressions. where it will calculate a weight of it. Now, if we see how does it find out the particular mathematical expression to identify whether it is a dog or cat. So internally, to perform such action, it will be having a three layers like input layer, hidden layer, and output layer, where these look like a human neurons of brain, right? So we see this way, it will be looking in this manner. So this will be the input layer, where the data will be transmitted. This layer is also called as data transmission layer. Over all the hidden layers, the data will be transmitted over all the hidden layers in this way. Yeah, in this way, each and every input layer will be communicating with all the hidden layers. This is called as hidden layer. Here, it will make a decision whether the particular data need to be transmitted to output layer or not based upon the weight of the given expression. So again, uh, output layer this output layer this output layer will act as an input layer to other set of hidden layers. So this type of communication is called as deep learning, where if we have uh, d- more number of hidden layers, then it is called as deep learning, right? So when we have a less number of hidden layers, then it is called as shallow learning or machine learning. Again, based upon its weight, it will uh, it will give an output will give an output. Here we are having two images, right? Image of dog or image of cat. So we will be having two outputs over here. In this way, it will perform the operation internally, and it will generate a rule to which our output need to match, and it will give an result to over it. So to train the machine, we need to have a heavy hardware system in our computers like GPUs, and to run the programmed model. The platform like we have the platforms like AWS, Google Cloud. Do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Hit and bell icon. Have a nice day.